In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an auto-incrementing row ID in Google Sheets. This nifty little trick will save you time and keep your data organized, especially when you're dealing with large data sets. Let's dive right into it and set up your spreadsheet for success. First, you'll want to open up Google Sheets and access the spreadsheet where you wish to add these automatically incrementing row IDs. If you haven't created your Google Sheets document yet, go ahead and do that first. You can do so by heading to Google Sheets on your browser and either selecting a blank sheet or an existing template. Once your sheet is open, locate the cell where you'd like the auto-incrementing numbers to begin. This will typically be your first cell in the column designated for row numbers. After selecting your starting cell, this is where we'll input a special formula to make the magic happen. In this cell, type the following: equals sequence, open parenthesis, count, open parenthesis, B2 colon B, close parenthesis, comma 1, comma 1, comma 1, and then close that parenthesis. Let's break it down. The sequence function in Google Sheets is a powerful tool that generates a list of sequential numbers. Our formula first counts the number of non-empty cells in column B, which adds flexibility in case you have headers or gaps. The commas and ones that follow dictate the pattern and starting point of our list. Now, with your formula all set up, tap the Enter key. You'll immediately see the sequence of numbers begin in the cell you selected. This is your starting point for the auto-incrementing row ID, and it's now powered by the formula you've entered. Next, let's put this to the test. Head to the last record in your list and enter a new record. Maybe you're adding some fresh data or simply extending your list with new entries. The beauty of this setup is it reacts in real time to any changes you make. Once you enter another record at the end of your list, press the Enter key again. Observe how the formula works its charm. The new number has incremented just as it should. Congratulations! You've successfully set up auto-incrementing row IDs in your Google Sheets document. This simple automation is a great way to ensure that your data is well tracked without the manual work of typing individual numbers or maintaining strict order yourself. So, there you have it. You've learned how to implement an efficient automated numbering system in your spreadsheets using Google Sheets. Feel free to adapt and use this method across various sheets and watch as it makes your workflow more productive. If you have any questions or want to learn more, drop your comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more handy tutorials. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy spreadsheet managing.